Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we'll discuss about merging two sorted arrays. Efficient code. Merging two sorted arrays is very easy to write the code. We already discussed this logic when we are discussing about a merge sort algorithm. But writing an efficient code is very important. So in order to understand, this is a medium level question. If you are not good at basic level programming knowledge, please visit our website learningmonkey.in. You have to take the placement training for service based companies. This is the course you have to take. After finishing that course, then only you are able to solve the medium level questions. Please take that course and come back here. The examples which we already discussed there, they will help you a lot in improving your coding skills to achieve this level. So coming to today's example, given two sorted arrays A comma B, A is of size n, B is of size m. The elements present in each array are already in sorted order. That is what they are going to say. And we have to merge two arrays elements to get final sorted elements. You have to merge both the elements present in the arrays, and finally you have to get the final sorted list of both the elements. But the condition here is, let's take an example and we will understand the condition. A is equal to 1, 5, 7, 8. Elements are already in ascending order. B is equal to 2, 4, 9. Elements are in ascending order. We have to get an output of 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. See, we are not going to take extra space here. That is the point you have to understand. By taking the extra space, it's very easy to understand. This already, by using the extra space, we already written the logic when we are discussing about merge sort coding in our data structures playlist. But the given conditions is time complexity should be order of n plus m. N elements are there, m elements are there, n plus m. That is the time complexity. And space complexity is order of 1. Means you should not use extra space. Based on that, you have to write the logic. We will give you an intuition about how to write the logic. So based on the intuition, you try to work out and try to write the code on your own, then only check for the solution. We are going to provide the code in our website learningmonkey.in, but our suggestion is try to solve it on your own, then check for the solution. So we will give the logic. The logic here we already discussed in our previous class. So the same concept we are going to use this. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6. Means if you take two numbers, 5, 6 are two numbers. You take a number anything greater than these two numbers, take it as 7. By using a modulo operation, 5 plus 6 multiplied by 7, that is equal to 47. In this number 47, we are having both the numbers 5 and 6. 47 divided by 7 is going to give 6. 47 modulus 7 is going to give 5. So this in our last class we used this concept and we have made an example in our last class coding. The same concept we are going to use here. So how to use that? Let's take our example. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 0, 2, 6, 8, and this is our example. We are going to use three variables I, J, K. We are using variable I to point the elements in this array. We are using variable J to point the elements in this array. K is used to place the elements in which position we have to place the elements. Initially we have to place elements in this position, next to this position, next to this position, next to this position. This is in order to maintain that position we are using the variable K. Now let's try to understand. So what's there in this element ith position? 1. What's there in jth position? 0. Which one is small? 0 is small. So we need to place 0 here in this position. K is pointing to this position. That's why we are going to place 0 in this position. If you want to place 0 in this position, what's the element that is present here? 1 is present. So we need to maintain a number that is going to have both the numbers. 0 should be there, 1 should be there. If you want to do that, what you need to follow? So what's the biggest number here? 7. What's the biggest number here? 9. Out of these two, which one is big? 9. So we need to take a number that is greater than 9. That's why we are taking 10. In order to place 0 and 1 both the numbers here in this position, what we are going to do? 1 plus 0 modulus 10 multiplied by 10, which we got is 1. Means we are going to place 1 here. That's why we have written it in green color. 1 is going to place here. In 1 we are having both the numbers. 1 modulus 10 we are going to get 1. 1 divided by 10 we are going to get 0. Both the numbers are there. So now k plus plus j plus plus. I is pointing to the same position. J is pointing to the next element because this element already placed in the position that required for that element. I is not going to increment because the element here should be 1. 1 is not yet placed in the position that is required for 1. So that's why we are not incrementing I, we are incrementing j because 0 is placed here. Now coming to the second point, you have to understand, now 2 should be compared with the ith position element. Jth position element should be compared with ith position element. What's the ith position element? It should be 1. It is 1. So 2, 1. Which one is small? 1 is small. So 1 should be placed in kth position. What's there in kth position? 3 is there. So you have to place an element that consists of both 1 and 3. That is the point you have to understand. In order to do that, 3 plus 1 modulus 10 multiplied by 10, that is 13. 13 is having both the elements. 13 by 10 is going to give 1. 13 modulus 10 is going to give 3. Both the elements should be there. Like that, k plus plus I plus plus. That is how you have to place. This is the intuition which we are going to provide. Based on this intuition, you elaborate the remaining concept, how to place the remaining elements. Here you have to, you should have two things. This concept should be understood, how we need to place the elements, and once you place all the elements here in this array, next k should go to the second array, 0th position, first position. That is what you have to consider. Okay, here the second important point is the concept, the coding which we already discussed when we discussed in our merge sort algorithm. That code will help you to write the code for this. So based on the concept which we discussed and the merge sort algorithm, if you try to think about the logic, you will definitely get it. That is what you have to do for improving your coding skills. So based on that, write the logic for this. Now we are going to show you the code. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.